Hey 5th grade, this is Miss Fanta again. Today we're going to work on a piece for our fluency practice. It's called At the Artist Studio. And if we'll pay attention as we read along, we'll come across some of those words that have that Y and change it to IE or IES ending. So see if we can't spot those as we read through this. And our main goal is to practice those words fluently, being able to say them out loud properly, decoding them. So whenever I get finished reading, take time to go ahead and read through the same selection and check your words, see how you're saying them, and see if you can't spot some of those different word endings like we've talked about earlier. So, at the artist studio. Let me move it up just a little bit. Too far. On Saturday, Sebastian's mother was going to visit a friend who is an artist. Sebastian wanted to stay home and arrange his soccer trophies and plan for the rest of the season's victories, but he had to go along. He sulked in the car on the drive over, ignoring. If you look here at the word victories, that would be one of those words that victory would end in a Y, but multiple of would be IES, and you get rid of that Y. When they arrived at the studio, the artist, Ramona, was painting. With just a few brushstrokes, she could create a park at sunset. Her painting abilities amazed Sebastian, and he tried to understand how she put a few simple elements together to create a beautiful picture. In this painting, I'm practicing how I choose and blend the colors for the sky, she explained. I think this park is one of the loveliest places on earth. I've never seen such a pretty setting. Next time I want to arrive earlier in the day and watch the light as it changes. I think Sebastian was expecting to be bored here, his mother laughed. I'm not bored, he denied quickly. Let me show you a finished painting I did, said Ramona. She went into the other room and came back with another canvas. I painted this one on the iciest day last winter. The painting was full of cool light blues and pale greens. It matched Sebastian's memories of the frigid weather last winter. It's really good. The sunset colors are a lot cozier though, Sebastian said. I like the painting you are doing now better. Yes, Ramona agreed. Thanks for stopping by, Sebastian. Come back and visit any time. So go back, look for some of those words that might have changed from the Y to the IES and see if you can spot those, and also practice reading through this for a little bit of that decoding and fluency skill. Thanks.